Deep in the heart of the tropics thrives a nutritional powerhouse, a climbing vine packed with protein, vitamins, and flavor. This is the winged bean, a true gift from nature. Forget your ordinary green beans. This superfood boasts edible pods, leaves, flowers, and even roots. Join me as we journey through the fascinating process of growing winged beans, from tiny seeds to a bountiful harvest. Our adventure begins with the most crucial element, the seeds. Just like a survivalist relies on quality gear, a farmer depends on healthy seeds. Choosing the right seeds is paramount. We need seeds that are plump, free from damage, and full of life. These tiny packages hold the potential for a thriving crop and a nourishing harvest. Remember, strong seeds equal strong plants. Before we sow our seeds, we must prepare the land. Just like a shelter protects us from the elements, healthy soil provides the foundation for our winged bean vines to flourish. We enrich the soil with organic matter, like compost. This provides essential nutrients and improves drainage. Loose, well-drained soil is crucial for the seeds to germinate and the roots to grow strong. With the soil prepared, we can now sow our seeds. We plant them a few inches apart, giving each seed enough space to grow. Planting depth is key. Too deep, and they might not sprout. Too shallow, and they risk drying out. We water the seeds gently, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Now, we wait and watch as nature works its magic. Section 5, Climbing High, Supporting the Winged Bean Vines. As our seedlings emerge, we provide them with the support they need to climb. Winged beans are natural climbers, reaching for the sky. We erect sturdy trellises or stakes for the vines to cling to. This not only maximizes space in the garden but also improves air circulation and makes harvesting easier later on. Section 6, Water and Care, Nourishing Growth and Combating Pests. Consistent watering is essential, especially during dry spells. We want to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Weeding is another crucial task. Weeds compete with our plants for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Regularly inspecting for pests and diseases is vital. Early detection is key to preventing widespread damage to crops. Section 7, Nature's Dance, the Beauty of Flowering and Pollination. As the weeks progress, our winged bean vines burst into bloom, showcasing delicate flowers in shades of white, blue, or purple. These beautiful blooms attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. These busy insects play a crucial role in transferring pollen from one flower to another, enabling fertilization and the development of our precious pods. Section 8, Harvest Time, Gathering the Fruits of Our Labor. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, harvest time. After months of nurturing and caring for our crops, the time has come to gather the fruits of our labor. It's a time of joy and satisfaction, seeing the results of our hard work and dedication. The winged beans are ready, and the fields are brimming with the vibrant green pods. We can begin harvesting tender winged bean pods just a few weeks after flowering. The transformation from flower to pod is a fascinating process, and it happens quite rapidly. The flowers, delicate and beautiful, give way to the young pods that grow and mature quickly. It's essential to keep an eye on them during this period to ensure we harvest them at the perfect time. The pods should be plump and snap easily when bent. This is a sign that they are tender and at their peak of freshness. A gentle bend test can help determine if the pod is ready to be picked. If it snaps crisply, it's perfect for harvesting. This ensures that the beans inside are tender and delicious, ready to be enjoyed in various dishes. Don't wait too long, or the pods will become tough and fibrous. Overripe pods lose their tenderness and become difficult to cook and eat. It's crucial to harvest them at the right time to maintain their quality. Comparing a tender pod with an overripe one, you can see the difference in texture and color. The tender pods are vibrant and smooth, while the overripe ones are dull and tough. We carefully pluck the pods from the vine, ready to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Each pod is a testament to the care and effort put into growing them. As we fill our baskets with these fresh, green pods, we feel a sense of accomplishment and pride. The harvest is not just about gathering food, it's about celebrating the journey from seed to table. The winged beans will soon be part of delicious meals, nourishing our bodies and reminding us of the beauty of nature's cycles. Section 9, From Farm to Table, the Journey of the Winged Bean. The winged bean, also known as the goa bean or four-angled bean, is a remarkable plant that thrives in tropical climates. Its journey from farm to table is a fascinating one, filled with hard work, dedication, and a touch of nature's magic. Freshly harvested winged beans are a culinary delight. These beans are not only visually appealing with their unique winged edges, but also packed with a plethora of nutrients. Rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, they are a powerhouse of health benefits. They can be eaten raw, steamed, stir-fried, or even grilled. Their versatility in the kitchen makes them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. When added to a salad, they provide a crunchy texture and a slightly nutty flavor that enhances the overall taste. Or added to soups and stews. When cooked, they absorb the flavors of the dish, making them a perfect addition to hearty soups and stews. Their ability to blend seamlessly into various recipes makes them an indispensable ingredient in many cuisines around the world. The leaves and flowers are also edible and packed with nutrients. The young leaves can be used in salads or cooked like spinach, while the flowers can be added to dishes for a burst of color and nutrition. Every part of the winged bean plant is utilized, making it a sustainable and eco-friendly choice. From the farm, these versatile beans embark on a journey to local markets, where they are eagerly awaited by consumers. The process of harvesting, packing, and transporting these beans is a labor of love, ensuring that they reach the market in the freshest condition possible, bringing their unique flavor and nutritional benefits to communities near and far. At the market, customers are drawn to their vibrant green color and unique shape. Once in the kitchen, they become a part of family meals, contributing to a healthy and balanced diet. The journey of the winged bean from farm to table is a testament to the dedication of farmers and the endless possibilities of nature's bounty. Section 10. Supporting local farmers. A call to action for a sustainable future. As we've seen, the journey of the winged bean is a testament to the hard work and dedication of farmers. These farmers, often working from dawn till dusk, pour their hearts and souls into cultivating the land. Their efforts ensure that we have access to fresh, nutritious, and delicious produce. The winged bean, with its rich history and nutritional benefits, is just one example of the many crops that local farmers bring to our tables. By supporting local farmers, we're not just enjoying fresh, nutritious food, but also investing in a more sustainable future. When we buy from local markets, we reduce the carbon footprint associated with transporting food over long distances. This means fewer emissions and a healthier planet. Additionally, local farmers often use sustainable farming practices that protect the environment, such as crop rotation, organic farming, and reduced pesticide use. These methods ensure that the soil remains fertile and that our food is free from harmful chemicals. Let's choose locally grown produce, support sustainable farming practices, and appreciate the journey of our food from seed to table. When we make these choices, we're not just supporting farmers, we're supporting entire communities. Local farmers markets become vibrant hubs where people come together, share stories, and build connections. They are places where we can learn about where our food comes from and the people who grow it. By fostering these connections, we create a sense of community and shared responsibility for our environment, and appreciate the journey of our food from seed to table. Every bite we take is a reminder of the hard work and dedication of farmers. It's a celebration of the land, the seasons, and the natural world. So the next time you visit a local market or enjoy a farm-to-table meal, take a moment to reflect on the journey of your food. Remember the farmers who made it possible and the positive impact you're making by supporting them. Together, we can create a more sustainable and connected world, one meal at a time.